Vinyl windows are a popular choice for Houston homeowners, and for good reason. They are energy efficient, low maintenance, and built to handle humidity better than many traditional materials. But even the highest quality vinyl windows can underperform if they're installed incorrectly. In Houston's climate, where heat, heavy rain, and humidity are part of everyday life, proper installation isn't optional, it's essential. If you're planning a window upgrade, here are the most common vinyl window installation mistakes to avoid and how to protect your investment. Incorrect measurements. One of the most frequent and costly mistakes is improper measurement. Vinyl windows must fit precisely within the opening. If a window is too small, gaps can lead to air leaks, water intrusion, and higher energy bills. If it's too large, forcing it into place can warp the frame and affect operation. Houston homes vary widely in age and construction style, which means window openings are not always perfectly square. Professional installers take multiple measurements and check for structural irregularities before ordering the windows. Skipping this step can result in expensive adjustments later. Poor flashing and waterproofing. Houston's heavy rains make proper flashing critical. Flashing is the material installed around the window to prevent water from entering the home. If flashing is installed incorrectly, or worse, skipped, water can seep into the walls, causing mold, rot, and structural damage. A common mistake is failing to integrate flashing properly with the home's existing weather barrier. Every layer should overlap correctly to direct water away from the structure. When flashing is done right, it acts as a shield against Houston's sudden downpours and high humidity. Inadequate sealing and insulation. Even a small gap around a window can allow hot air and moisture to enter your home. Some installers use too little insulation or rely solely on caulk without adding proper backing materials. Over time, this can lead to drafts, condensation, and increased cooling costs. In Houston's warm climate, energy efficiency matters year-round. Proper foam insulation and high-quality sealants help maintain consistent indoor temperatures and reduce strain on your HVAC system. A well-sealed vinyl window not only keeps your home comfortable but also lowers utility bills. Over-tightening fasteners. Vinyl is durable, but it expands and contracts with temperature changes. In Houston's intense heat, this movement is significant. A common installation mistake is over-tightening screws, which can restrict natural expansion and cause the frame to bow or crack. Proper installation allows for slight movement while keeping the window secure. Installers must follow manufacturer guidelines and use the correct fastener spacing. This ensures the window operates smoothly and lasts for years without warping. Ignoring structural issues. Sometimes installers focus only on replacing the window without addressing underlying damage. If the window frame or surrounding wood has rot from previous leaks, simply installing a new vinyl window won't fix the problem. It can actually trap moisture inside the wall. Before installation, the opening should be inspected thoroughly. Any damaged materials must be repaired or replaced. A solid foundation ensures the new vinyl window performs as intended and protects your home from future issues. Skipping proper slope and drainage. Windows should be installed with slight slope considerations to allow water to drain away from the home. If installed flat or improperly aligned, water can pool around the frame. In Houston's rainy climate, standing water increases the risk of leaks and long-term damage. Correct alignment and drainage planning are key to long-lasting performance. This detail may seem minor, but it plays a major role in preventing costly repairs. Choosing inexperienced installers. Even premium vinyl windows won't perform well if installed by someone without experience. Houston's climate demands careful attention to sealing, flashing, and ventilation. Choosing the lowest bid without checking credentials can lead to poor workmanship and future problems. Look for installers who understand local building codes and climate challenges. Ask about warranties on both products and labor. A reputable installer stands behind their work and prioritizes your home's protection. Upgrading to vinyl windows is a smart investment for Houston homeowners, but only when installation is done correctly. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can ensure your windows improve energy efficiency, resist moisture, and enhance comfort for years to come. When you work with knowledgeable professionals and insist on proper installation practices, your vinyl windows will do exactly what they're designed to do: protect your home and provide lasting value.